Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super straightforward guide on how to send BNB from Coinbase to Robinhood in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or an experienced trader, this process is easier than you might think, and I'll walk you through it step by step. Why do this? Well, moving your BNB can help you diversify your portfolio or take advantage of Robinhood's features, all while keeping things secure. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Coinbase and Robinhood, and that your BNB is already in your Coinbase wallet. Start by logging into your Coinbase account on your computer or mobile app. Once you're in, navigate to your dashboard and find the BNB asset. It's usually under your Portfolio or Assets section. Next, select BNB and choose the Send or Withdraw option. This is where things get exciting. You'll need to specify the recipient's address, which is your Robinhood wallet address. Pro tip: double-check that you're using the correct network for BNB. In 2025, Robinhood typically supports the BNB Smart Chain, so select that to avoid any transaction failures. Now, enter the amount of BNB you want to send. Remember, there might be network fees, so keep an eye on those to ensure you're not sending more than you intend. Review all the details carefully. Wrong addresses can lead to lost funds, and that's something we definitely want to avoid. Hit confirm, and you'll get a confirmation screen. Once approved, the transfer should process quickly, usually within a few minutes, depending on network congestion. Head over to your Robinhood app to verify that the BNB has arrived in your wallet. A few quick tips. Always use two-factor authentication for extra security, and never share your private keys. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test the waters. By 2025, crypto regulations might have changed, so stay updated on any platform-specific rules. And there you have it. That's how you send BNB from Coinbase to Robinhood. I hope this guide made things crystal clear and saved you some hassle. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.